Hello students, a very warm welcome to Arihant Online Academy, and here in this session we are going to discuss a very important question from GATE CS 2018. Question number was 55 from Computer Networks, and the question I am reading in front of you. Thereafter I am going to solve this question very interactively. I hope this solution will be very much clear to all of you after my explanation, but one thing that I want to let you know is that the length of question that much is given. Don't be get confused with this, because the solution is we can solve it within 2 lines, right? So let's read the question. The question is: consider a simple communication system where multiple nodes are connected by a shared broadcast medium like Ethernet or wireless. The node in the system use the following carrier sense based medium access protocol. A node that receives a packet to transmit will carrier sense the medium for 5 units of time. If the node does not detect any other transmission, it starts transmitting its packet in the next time unit. If the node detects another transmission, it waits until this other transmission finishes and then begins to carrier sense for 5-minute units again. Once they start to transmit, nodes do not perform any collision detection and continue transmission even if a collision occurs. All transmissions last for 20 units of time. Assume that the transmission signal travels at the speed of 10 meter per unit time. It is important data. 10 meter per unit time in the medium. Assume that the system has two nodes P and Q located at distance d meters from each other. P starts transmitting a packet at time t equals to 0 after successfully completing its carrier sense phase. Node Q has a packet to transmit at time t equals to 0 and begin to carrier sense at the medium. The maximum distance d in meters in the rounded form that allows Q to successfully avoid a collision between its proposed transmission and P's ongoing transmission is. So you can understand this problem like, let's say it is our node P, and let's say we are having one more node Q, and we are having the distance between these two nodes as a D, right? Now the time unit is given, which is very important: 10 minutes per unit time. 10 minutes per unit time. It might be anything, right? And the distance between these two nodes is D. Now, in order to avoid the collision, either the first packet P should reach to Q before what data we can take here? You can simply see that Q sends for 5 minutes, right? You can simply see here it start transmitting its package for the next time unit, but before that a node that receives a packet to transmit will carrier sense the medium for 5 unit of time. Basically at t equals to 0, nothing is there, it's start transmitting, but at the second t equals to 5, it's sensing. If nothing should be observed, at the next instant, that is t equals to 6, it start transmitting. So the goal is that before t equals to 5, if our packet reach from P to Q, it can avoid the collision. It simply means that d divided by 10. Why d divided by 10? Because the speed or the time or the transmission signals are going at the rate of 10 minutes per unit time. If it is greater than, or it is should be less than or equals to 5 meter, it should be less than or equals to 5. It simply means that why it should be, because before 5 or before maximum 5 unit of time is there, because just after that it's start transmission and avoid collision might be there. So before 5, if they are getting their data, if the first bit of P reaches Q, right, it can avoid. So D should be less than or equals to 50. So ultimately the thing is that the maximum distance that allows Q to successfully avoid a collision between its proposed transmission and P's ongoing transmission is 50 meter. So 50 meter is the correct answer. This is very simple question. Do not go on the length of the question, but the concept is very important and very easy concept question. I hope it is very much clear to all of you. Further, any kind of doubt or query, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to resolve all your doubts and all your queries as early as possible from my side. Guys, stay tuned with us for more such videos. Do like the video, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon button, and stay tuned with us. Thank you so much, guys. Have a very nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.